Sorry about that. You kind of see a little pink ribbon waving on the wall. That's the other end of the fence. So basically you can see this whole area will be side yard. The front corner of the house where the 2 guest bedrooms are, 2 of the guest bedrooms will be right in that blue, where you see those blue lines. Probably not 100% accurate, but pretty close. And then the front of the house will go across at a little bit of an angle. And now where I'm walking, I'm kind of in the middle of the house. I am just about where the living room will be. And if you look on the ground, you can see those 2 blue corners. That will be our patio, the patio that comes with the house at least. And so we'll walk out of our double glass sliding doors just like this. And you can see the mountains off just a little bit to an angle, but we can definitely see it. And then that should give you a general idea of the depth of the yard. So it's just about 100 feet to the furthest point in the corner with the rock pillar. And then obviously it gets narrower on the sides. And then this blue corner, it will be approximately the back corner of the breakfast nook, or where our everyday dining table will be. And then you can kind of see what the distance will be to the fence. I think it's around 50 feet. And then as you get past that, it widens out again. And this is all going to be side yard all the way until the fence, which will be right here. So, give you another view. So the corner of the house, that corner of the house where the breakfast nook is just a little further that direction and a little to the left of that mound of dirt, that dark dirt there. So you can see the side yard is nice and big and will give us a ton of privacy from the next door neighbor, especially because I'm almost positive that their garage and driveway will be on the right side of their house when you're facing from the street. So it puts their garage closest to us, which is the side that's going to have the least amount of windows looking out. It's not on the right side, it's on the left side. So their driveway and their cars and everything will be over on the left. But they're still, they won't be able to see into our yard through the windows because the fence will be tall enough. So there's the school. You can see the backstop for the one baseball field they have. And then real quick, I'll walk over to this back fence so you can kind of get an idea where the dirt lot is that's owned by the church. I believe this road is Azalea Lane, and it's, as we discussed last night, it's one option we have for getting out of the community. So there's kind of an idea of the distance the lot is away from our fence and how big it is. And then the street that Azalea dead ends into is Wrecker Road. But again, it's not a through street on the north side. It's one lane each way, 30 miles per hour. So it should be very quiet. I don't see any potential to them widening it. I guess technically it's possible, but with these power lines, which unfortunately is a little bit of an eyesore for us, but got to take what you can get. They would have to move those to widen the road of any significance, and I don't see that happening because everything that's south of here is county land, and they're just large lots with custom homes or horse property, stuff like that. So I don't see them doing any major developments down that way, so I don't think there would be a need to widen the road in the future, but I guess you never know. So this is the perspective from the back corner of the backyard. And now I'm walking towards the patio area. Start to see those two blue corners. And I'm now right in the middle of the patio. And off in the distance you can see that's the substation. You can see that one antenna mast that's sticking up. I guess there's a second one to the right, but a lot of that is going to be, about half of the height of that is going to get blocked out when the homes are built along this road. So not great, but not anything of major significance. We will not see it from our yard, and it's not, I don't think it's a big deal. So that's it. All right, see you in the next video.